That there's the king of elm trees, baby. Been waiting for him to die for a few years. This is Tattoo Granny live on tape from a stump in the woods. Here's a nice elm leaf for you. Look how they're uneven by the stem, how it gets up closer. And pointy, oblong, serrated edges. Cool, right? Well, that's not my announcement. My announcement is this coming Saturday on the 25th of March, I'm getting a big test to become certified through the Department of Agriculture in the state of Wisconsin to identify 17 species of edible fungi, sell them if I want, and their lookalikes, scientific names, all that good stuff, substrates, you know, what they eat, how to handle them. Fingers crossed I can pass that. Been studying their 20-page study guide and 124-page note guide with photos for a few weeks now, making sure I know what I know. I'm pretty solid on a lot of these edibles, been picking them for years. That doesn't mean I can pass nothing at my age. We'll see how I do. But tune in to the next video to see if I'm certified fresh or not. That's what's been happening and going on. And I'm looking forward to mushroom season. As per usual, I'm filled with anxiety and sadness and jealousy watching everybody else down south, all you people down south getting them. I can't wait. I can't wait to get a bunch up here. Yeah. Gandoderma applanatum. 𝐌𝐔𝐒𝐑𝐑𝐎𝐻. Some pretty magnificent old cottonwoods in here. We love the water. Hey everybody! Happy spring equinox! By the time you see this video, it'll be a few days past the equinox. Spring is here. Our 10 inches of snow, northern Illinois border, southern Wisconsin border is just about all melted. Expecting warm temperatures this week and rain, 50s and stuff. So I'm hiking this trail today while it's still frozen because it can get muddy. I'm on my way to the Creek of Happiness where I'll say hi to you again. So here we are at the lovely Creek of Happiness, Creek of Joy. I'm sitting there and taking a rest. It's the halfway point of my hike. Yeah, so spring equinox is here. Everybody way down south, you're picking morels. Georgia and Tennessee, the Carolinas. I know y'all had a big freeze down there, maybe killing off some baby morels. But if the temperature 4 inches down into the soil has not yet reached 62, 61, 62 degrees Fahrenheit, you'll have more fruiting. Depends, you know, going to be different areas. The big place in question is sort of the central Midwest belt of states where they've had some early heat, but also the cool down and definitely colder soil temps. So you're seeing like reports of black morels being found all the way up into southern Illinois, although that sighting did not have a dated receipt with it. It was a bunch. So those morels come up about 30 days sooner than the Morchella americana, you know, and up to like a few weeks before. They kind of overlap too sometimes. So that's happening, but this big cold snap, 10 inches of snow for us in the upper Midwest, definitely is keeping spring asleep for us. We're probably going to have a normal spring, maybe even a few days late. And y'all in that central band, anything goes. You know, depends on your temps in the next few weeks. So you want to check out my other videos that have all that info about soil temps, how to take a temperature of the soil with a meat thermometer, Greencast Online, check that for soil temps. It's beautiful here. So yeah, if I have time I'll put a map up, but you know, things are moving up. There's a lot of tulip morels being found. Tulip is a big, straight-trunked tree with a weird shaped leaf that has like 3 lobes with a little little indentation in each one. Sort of looks like a maple tree leaf gone wrong. And those are all over the upper south there. Popping, they're small. People are finding them in quantity. That's another early fruiting morel species, subspecies. Yeah, so it's going pretty well up to about Tennessee. Hopefully you're gonna have that refruiting I talked about. Ice formations dangling from twigs. Just spied a couple fishermen catching rainbow trout, so those are running right now. A tasty fish. You know how to catch them. Here's a nice sign. Look at this. You don't want Granny to fall down and break her junk. Yeah. Warning, big people. Oh, I'm glad I like heights, but look at that. Oh, you could fall in there and whoosh, disaster. Northern facing part of the trail still got some ice and snow going. Watch my step. Now later in the season, I come here, check all my dead elm trees. This water keeps this north side colder, so basically way late. So I'm on my way back to the car. I still think the season for the upper Midwest is going to be fantastic. Might be a little slow in starting, but the precipitation for the last 2 months above normal or normal. Fantastic water for our mushroom fruitings, and they love it. They will pop like crazy. Central Midwest, closer to the northern half of that. Down further south, it really just depends on how your soil temperatures are. If they're cold enough yet to refruit, I hope you get a ton down there. Your cottonwoods, your privet, you're down by your creeks, lots of tulip trees. Yeah. I hope that works out for you. Down south, way down south, you're having a good old time. I'm jealous. I want some delicious mushrooms. Huge thank you to my subscriber base. 800 subscribers. What? That's crazy. I'm so happy. And tons of new French subscribers. Bonjour, welcome. And all over the world, lots in the US, Canada, India. Thanks so much for sticking with me on this journey. I hope you have a fantastic mushroom season in 2023. And check out my videos for tutorials. And don't forget, Morel Tricks is coming just as soon as I can finish the last sequence of shooting. That's a comedy and a parody, not a tutorial. So, Morel Tricks 2023, coming your way soon.